point number one, conflict resolution skills. So that's why point number one, since I said let's piggyback off yesterday, of conflict resolution skills. What you want to be able to do is to effectively communicate when you're trying to resolve a conflict. A really good actionable step here that I would recommend is develop a structured approach to a conflict resolution that emphasizes on open communication. And as I shared before, we can sometimes get caught up in so much of the problem and talking about the problem and why this happened and what we why we didn't do any. We can get caught up in all of that instead of taking that same energy, that same enthusiasm, that same approach and putting it on finding an actual solution and being able to do that where you let the stakeholders know you are in a safe environment to us constructing this particular finding a resolution to this problem. Anyways, family, I want to know what's your, again, I'm asking constantly, what is your single biggest challenge you are having in project management?